Hi children, welcome to SRK Math Concepts. Today we'll discuss Arithmetic Progression, exercise 5.2. Sema, fourth sum. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give you a sum is 636? What AP given for us? 9, 17, 25. 9, 17, 25, so on. How many terms taken means the sum must be 636. Means what? Sn is equal to 636. N is equal to question mark. So how many terms taken and added means you will get answer 636. So n terms, n you have to calculate. For this, A is equal to 9. D is equal to 17 minus 9 equals to 8. Sn formula, Sn given that 636, Sn means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that equals to 636. n by 2 into a value 9, so 2 times 9 plus n minus 1 into d value 8, that equals to 636. So 2 common I am taking here. 9 plus n minus 1 times of 4 equals to 636. Here and here 2 common taken. These 2 cancel. N times 9 plus 4n minus 4 equals to 636. 4n plus 5 equals to 636. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. So for this factors I have to calculate. For this equation factorization I have to do. Normal way means you not get. That's why I am using quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Formula what? X for n getting n is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula I am using, it will come in quadratic equation. So b means 5 here, a, c. Minus b plus or minus root of b square. B square means what? 5 square 25 minus 4ac. So 4 into 636 multiply means you will get 10176 by 2 into 4. So these two add means 10201 by 8. Its square root is 101. That means minus 5 plus or minus 101 by 8. One time minus 5 plus 101 by 8 minus 5 minus 101 by 8. These two added by 8 divided means you will get 12. This one negative and not integer. That's why this is not possible. So how many terms added means you will get answer? 12 terms added means you will get answer 636. See your factorization using quadratic formula I did. Okay, ma? Note down. Same of fifth problem. The first term of AP is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. What given for us? Given that first term means A equals to 5. last term L. L is equal to 45 and Sn is equal to 400. Sn is equal to 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So n value you have to calculate and d value also you have to calculate. For that Sn is equal to formula. Sn what given? 400 given. Sn formula n by 2 into a plus l is equal to 400. So n by 2 into a value 5 plus l value 45, that is equal to 400. N by 2 into 50 equals to 400. 50 cancel here 8 times, then n is equal to 16. Still what they asked? What they asked to calculate here? Find the number of terms and the common difference. N is equal to question mark, b equals to question mark. These two have to calculate. One completed here. Again same problem I am doing. Sn is equal to 400. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 400. This time for calculating d, I used this formula. N value already we got here. 16 by 2 times 2a plus 16 minus 1, 15 into d equals to 400. 2 cancel here 8 times, 8 cancel here 50 times. So 2 5 is 10 plus 15d is equal to 50. 15d is equal to 50 minus 10 equals to 40. d equals to 40 by 15. That means 8 by 3. In this way you have to calculate both the answers. See my sixth problem. Sixth problem given. The first and the last terms of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So how many terms are there and what is their sum? First of all, write the given data. First and the last terms of AP are 17 and 350. So what given for us, that I am writing. Given that A is equal to, and an or l both same only. A is equal to first and the last terms of AP are 17 comma 350. 17 and 350. If the common difference is 9, that also given. B is equal to 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? N is equal to question mark and Sn also question mark. This is the given data. So An means what? An is equal to 350. An, A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 350. N minus 1 into d value 9 equals to 350 minus A value 17. So 333. Then n minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. 3 9s 27, 63, again 7 times. So n is equal to what? 38. N value what? 38. So Sn means what? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Yes, 38 is equal to 38 by 2 into A value 17 plus L value 350. So 38 by 2, 19 times 367. These two multiply and say how much you will get? So these two multiply means 6973. That is the answer. Now eighth problem. Seventh. These two multiply, you get 6973. Seventh problem, same. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term. What given? Given that D is equal to 7, A 22 equals to 149. So common difference D given, 22nd term given. What is asking to calculate? Find the sum of the first 22 terms. Yes, 22 is equal to question mark. So A value don't know. A 22 means what? A plus 21D equals to 149. A equals to 149 minus 21 times of D value 7. So 149 minus 7, 7 2s are 14, 2. After that S22. S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1. 21 into D value 7. S22 means what? 22 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 22 by 2, 11 times 4 plus 7 1, 7, 7 2s are 14. 11 into 147 plus 4, 151. Multiply with 11 means 1, 6, 6, 1. This is the answer. Now, eighth sum. Find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18. So what given? Given that second term and second and third 14, 18. 14, 18. What they ask you to calculate? Find the sum of the first 51 terms. So A2 means what? A plus D is equal to 14. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 18. These two cancel. D minus 2D minus D. 14 minus 18 minus 4. After getting D value, take this as 1. From 1, A equals to 14 minus D means 4. So 14 minus 4, 10. What they ask you to calculate, Sima? Find the sum of the first 51 terms. Yes, 51 is equal to question mark. Yes, 51 formula. Yes, 51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2A plus 51 minus 1 into D value 4. So 51 by 2, 2 common take here, 10 plus 51 minus 1, 50. In 4 also 2 common one means 2. These 2 cancel. 51 times 10 plus 50 into 2, 100. That equals to 51 into 110. 0, 0, 51 ones 1, CM 5610. So calculation, just multiplication part only. See once. Now 9 sum. Important model this one. The sum of the first 7 terms of AP is 49. Sum of the first 7 terms. So what given? S7 is equal to 49 and sum of 17 terms. S17 equals to 289. Then find Sn is equal to. So the 2 given, they ask you to calculate Sn value. S7 means what? 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1, 6d equals to 49. Here 17 means what? 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d equals to 289. So 7 cancel here 7 times. So 1 by 2, 2 common take, a plus 3d equals to 7. These 2 cancel, just take a plus 3d is equal to 7. Here 17 cancel here 17 times. So 1 by 2 into 2 common take, a plus 8d equals to 17. 2 cancel, a plus 8d is equal to 70. These 2 subtraction do, both will cancel here. 3 minus 8 minus 5d, 7 minus 17 minus 10. So d is equal to 2. After getting d value, note this one 1. From 1, a equals to 7 minus 3d. 3 to 6 is equal to 1. So a value 1, b value 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 into 2a, 2 plus n minus 1 into d value 2. So n by 2, 2 common take, 1 plus n minus 1. That is the procedure to calculate the Sn value. So 2 values given means from that a and d values calculate. That only go for calculating the Sn. See my 10th problem. This is also important model. Show that A1, A2, so on AN forms an AP where AN is defined as AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. The first model, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. So what they are saying, calculate A1 means in place of n take 1. So 3 plus 4 into 1 equals to 3 plus 4 is 7. A2, 3 plus 4 into 2 3 plus 8, 11. A3, 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 12, 15. So what is saying? A1, A2, so on, AN forms AP. A2 minus A1 is equal to 11 minus 7, 4. A3 minus A2 is equal to 15 minus 11, 4. So common difference same. That's why it forms which one? A1, A2, so on, A3, so on forms AP. That's it. So nth term given calculated term and they ask us to show that they forms an AP. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms. Sum of first 15 terms. Yes, 15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a plus 15 minus 1 into d. So 15 by 2, 2a. A value means what? First term means a. 2 times of 7, 15 minus 1, 14. Common difference this one same, d. 4 you take. So 15 by 2 into 2 common take, 7 plus 14 times of 2. We both cancel. 15 into 7 plus 14 2s, 28. That is equal to 15 times of 35. 15 5 75. 15 is 45 plus 7. 525. Next question, what mean this second model? AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Here also calculate. A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 minus 9 minus 5, 4. A2 equals to 9 minus 10 minus 1. A3 equal to 9 minus 15 equals to minus 6. Now A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. A3 minus A2 equals to minus 6 minus of minus plus 1 equals to minus 5. So this is D value. This one what? A. Common difference is same. That's why it forms AP. What they ask to calculate still same question for this. Also find the first 15 terms. Yes, 15. 15 by 2. 2A. A value 4. 15 minus 1, 14. D value minus 5. So 15 by 2. 2 common take here and here. So 4 left. Here 7 times minus 5. So 2 times cancel here. 15 into 4 minus 7 5. 35. So 15 times minus 31. So answer is minus 15 1 15. 45 plus 1 46. So minus 465 is the answer. They given that AN, if you show that it forms AP or not, means what to do? First 3 times calculate and common difference find. If it is same, then you can say that it forms AP. Later go for finding the sum of 15 terms. Okay. Now we will discuss next model. Eleventh problem. This is also important model. Sema. Sum of the first n terms of AP is 4n minus n square. What is the first term? What is the sum of the first 2 terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and 10th terms and nth term. Before problem given nth term. This problem given sum of n terms. Sn given. That is the difference. What given? Given that Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So what they ask you to calculate? First term, sum of first two terms, second term, third term, like that something they asked. First of all, understand that S1 means what? First term 1, A1 or A equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. S2 means sum of two terms, A1 plus A2, that is equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 square, 4 is equal to 4. S3, A1 plus A2 plus A3, 3 right here, 4 3 is 12, 3 square, 9 equals to 3, like that. So, first of all, same what they asked you to calculate, what is the sum of the first two terms. So, sum of first two terms means what? This one. S2 is equal to 4. Completed one question answer. What is the sum of the first two terms? Next, what is the second term? See, A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. Here A1 is equal to 3. Subtraction you do, both will cancel. A2 is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. That is the second question answer. Second term. Similarly, find the third term. Third terms here, A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to 3. Again here, A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. Cancel, cancel. A3 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. A3 value minus 1. Find the third term in the 10th and nth term. 10th term. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A value 3 plus 9 times. D value what? See. A1 after A2 after. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 1 minus 3. That is equal to minus 2. Right here minus 2. 3 minus 18 equals to minus 15. Nth term, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A value 3 plus n minus 1 into D value minus 2. So 3 minus 2n plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 2n. Okay ma? Like that one by one questions you have to answer. Properly understand that sum of n terms given. S1 means first term. Sum of first term also same. S2 means what? A1 plus A2. Like that S3 means A1 plus A2 plus S3. So in the same procedure you follow. Okay ma? That is 11th term. 11th sum. Now we will discuss about 12th sum. Same 12th sum. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So first number divisible by 6 means what? 6. Next one 12, 18, so on. So A is equal to 6 here. D is equal to 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. 40 positive integers. 40 they have to calculate. N is equal to 40. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S40 is equal to 40 by 2 into 2A 12 plus 40 minus 1 39 into D value 60. So 40 by 2 common take here and here 6 plus 39 times 3. These two cancel. 40 into 6 plus 3 39s 127. So 40 times 123. So 4 3 is 12. Same 4920. So that is the procedure to calculate the value of sum of the first 40 numbers which are divisible by 6. Now we will go for the find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. First 15 multiples of 8. So 8, 16, 24, so on. A is equal to 8, D is equal to 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, N is equal to 15. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2A, 16 plus N minus 1, 14 into D value 8. So 15 by 2, 2 common take, here 8, 14 times 4. So 15 times 8 plus 14 fours, 56. 15 times 64, 960. That is the 13th sum. Now we will discuss about 14th sum. Same of 14th sum, what they ask you to calculate? Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50 means 0 don't consider, 50 don't consider. In between numbers only you have to consider. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Problem number 14. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are, so 0 after 1. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So 1 after 3, 5, 7, so on, last number 49. Here A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. An is equal to 49. An means what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 49. N minus 1 into D value 2 equals to 49 minus A value 1, 48. So n minus 1 is equal to 48 by 2, 24. N is equal to 24 plus 1, 25. What they ask you to find the sum. So they ask her to calculate S25 equals to 25 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1, 24 into D value 2. These two common take. 25 by 2 times of 2. So 1 plus 24. These two cancel. 25 times 1 plus 24, 25 means what? 625. So that way you have to calculate the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 don't consider, 50 don't consider. Same of 15 problem. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for the delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, and 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed work by 30 days? Delayed work how much? Delayed work 30 days. Penalty. Penalty 50, penalty stake. 50, 100, 150, so on. So like this, penalty for first day 50, second day 100, third day 150, like that. Same again question. Delayed, a contractor construction job specified a penalty for the delay of completion beyond the certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day. So first day what? Not 50. 200. Next day 250. After that 300. Like this going on. So here A is equal to 200. D is equal to 250 minus 200 is equal to 50. Like that, how many days work delayed? 30 days. So N is equal to 30. Consider Sn formula rate N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So children, here problem given, a specified work given to you. You complete in this 10 days or 15 days. If you are unable to complete, for the first day late completion, you should pay 200 rupees as a fine. If one more day you taken means 250 you have to pay fine. Next day also taken 300. Like that, per day 50 rupees penalty will increase. So starting what? 200. Succeeding days what? 250, 300, like that. So common difference given that 50 rupees. Like that, if you did work late 30 days, how much you have to pay means, yes, 30 you have to calculate 30 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1, 29 times 50. So 2 common take here and here. 30 by 2 into 2 of 200 plus 29 times 25. This 2 cancel. 30 times 200 plus 29, 25. $725. 29, 25 same. Yes, 725. So 30 times 925. Multiply with 3. So 27,750 rupees you have to pay as a fine. That is the 15th problem. 16th problem is same now. Which one? 16. Sum of 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the values of each prize. Okay, so total sum how much given? Sn is equal to 200. Sn is equal to what? 700. How many prizes they have to give? 7 cash prizes. N is equal to 7. So what is saying? First prize, each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. So first price, second price difference you taken means 20 less will be. So what is the values of the cash prizes? What they given? Total is 700 given. In that common difference D value what given? 20 rupees reducing. So D value what? First price suppose 100. Second price 20 rupees less means what? 80. Then D is equal to 80 minus 100 minus 20. Like that D value what? Minus 20. Differences of first price and second price is 20 reduced. So common difference calculate means what? Second minus first. So 80 minus 100 minus 20. Like that you have to observe. So D value what given? Minus 20 given. So same Sn formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 700. N value already given 7. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1. 6 times of minus 20 is equal to 700. 7 cancel here. 100 times 1 by 2. 2 common take. A plus 3 times minus 20 is equal to 100. 2 cancel. A minus 3 into 20, 60 is equal to 100. A is equal to 160. So first prize what? 160. So prizes, 7 prizes. Prizes are A. Next prize A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. 7 prizes. So 160, 20 reduce. 140, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. So these are the values of the prizes. See you next question. Seventeenth problem. In a school, students start off planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree. Section of class 2, 2. Section of class 3, 3 like that till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Same. From which class to which class it is there? Class 1 to class 12. Problem number 17. Classes are from 1 to 12. Each class has 3 sections. So each class, each section, how many plants have to plant means depending upon their class. So according to question, first class children plant 1 tree for each section. So how many sections are there? 3. Section A 1 plant, section B 1 plant, section C 1 plant. So from first class overall how many trees they have to plant? 3. Second class means 2 plants, 3 sections, 3 to 6. Third class 3 sections, 3 plants. Fourth class 3 sections, 4 plants, 12. So on so. So plants are 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. How many terms? 12 terms. So here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 6 minus 3, 3, N is equal to 12. What they calculate? S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2A, 2, 3, 6 plus N minus 1, 11 minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11 into D value. See my D value what? Difference what here? 3. This is value of D. So 11 by 2, 6 plus 11 3 is 33. So 6 times of 39. Same 234 I am thinking. Okay. This is about the 17th problem. Now we will discuss 18th problem. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with the centers alternately at A and B. Starting with A, center A, radius 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0 like that. As shown in figure, what is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? See, here problem number 18 take. Diagram also given same. Here A is there, here B is there. From here A 0.5 this side, 0.5 this side. From starting A, draw one semicircle like this. Again from here B center 1 centimeter take. Okay, here 1 centimeter. From here to here 1 centimeter. From here draw another semicircle like this. Now, still from A 1.5. Continue like this. Like this increase. From A 0.5. So here to here what? 0.5. Here also 0.5. One semicircle draw like this. Again from B center, how much distance? Radius 1 centimeter. So here to here what? 1. Here to here also 1 take. See. From here to here 1. This total 1. So B as a center, draw another semicircle like this. 1 centimeter. Again from here to here 1.5. A as a center. Increase like this. So what is saying? This total length they asked. See. Semicircle. This circumference want. Total circle circumference means 2 pi r. In that half only one means pi r. So first one word pi r1. What they asked? Here a radius is equal to 0.5. Again 1. Again 1.5 to so on. So A, first what I have to do? Sum of, what they asked same? Sum of the what is the total length of this such a spiral made above? So length of the spiral, equals to only this part means from A pi r1, next pi r2, next pi r3. Like that, how many you have to calculate? Total n is equal to what? 13. So pi r 13. Pi common take, r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus so on plus r13. So pi into, see, r1 means what? 0.5, 1, 1.5, so on, 13 terms. So this is nothing but sum of the 13 terms. So pi value 22 by 7 take, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d I am calculating here. That means 22 by 7 into n by 2, 13 by 2 into 2a. A value what? 0.5. This is only a value. 2 times 0.5 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1, 12. Here difference what? 0.5, 1. D is equal to 1 minus 0.5 means 0.5. 12 times 0.5. So 22 by 7 into 13 by 2. This 2 common take. 0.5 plus 6 times 0.5. 2 cancel. 22 by 7 times 13 into 0.5 into 6, 3. 0.5 plus 3. Same of final answer I am writing here. (22 by 7 into 13 into 3.5). 3.5 means what? 3.5 is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 cancel. 2 here 11 times. 11 13s are 143. Okay, ma. So here what to observe that I am saying again, see properly. Like this, one point A is there, another point B is there. From A as a center, take 0.5 radius, draw one semicircle. Like that. Now B as a center, 1 centimeter have to take. So here what? 1 centimeter. Extend 1 centimeter. Now from here B as a center, draw another semicircle. Again 1.5. Like that increase means 13 times increase, and find the sum of the length of the spiral means sum of 13 times you have to calculate. Okay children, note down. See my 19th problem. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are there? Or the 200 logs can be placed, and how many logs are there in the top row? So they are arranging like this. They are arranging. Here 20 logs, before 19, before 18, like this going on. Total how many? 200 logs should be arranged. 200 logs should arrange. See, total logs are 200. First row 20. Next row, second row 19, third row 18, so on going on. Okay, now what they asked, number of logs in top row and number of rows. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 means completed like this. But this is not question. Total logs what? 200. If you arrange in such a way, 200 logs. Last row means top row, how many logs are there? Total number of rows, how many? This is the question. So here what to understand? A is equal to 20. D is equal to 19 minus 20 minus 1. Sn is equal to 200. They asked n is equal to question mark. That is first question. First we will calculate that one. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 200. So n value don't know. N by 2 into 2a value 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into d value minus 1 equals to 200. So n by n into 40 minus n plus 1. These two parts multiply this side 400. So 40 plus 1 41. N times 41 minus n is equal to 400. So 41n minus n square minus 400 is equal to 0. Minus common take, n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. So from this n value you have to calculate. See how to calculate n value factorization. Is there, 20 20s, 4 5s, 4 5s, 4 4 16, 5 5 25. So what to write? N square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0. N common take, n minus 16 minus 25 common take, n minus 16 is equal 0. N minus 25 into n minus 16 is equal 0. So n is equal to 16 or n is equal to 25. So either 16 rows or 25 rows. Both are correct, one only correct. Why it is correct, that we will discuss now. So 16 rows are there. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If n is equal to 16, then a16 is equal to a value 20 plus 19 into d value minus 1. So 20, n value what? 16 here. 16 minus 1. 15 times of minus 1 minus 15 equals to 5. So top row, how many logs are there? 5 logs are there. Total rows is equal to 16. Top row contains 5 logs. In case of 16, if n is equal to 25 taken, then a25 is equal to a plus 24d, a value 20, 24 times of minus 1, so 20 minus 24 minus 4. Top row minus 4 logs are there, should be wrong. Why? Because how many logs are there means it should be positive, but here it is giving negative. So this is not correct. So total number of rows 16, top row contains 5. That's it. Okay, ma? This is the 19th sum. Now we will discuss 20th sum. Once observe that problem. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. A commentator starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drop in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in bucket. What is the total distance the commentator has to run? Same here first potato is there. Which problem? 28th problem. First one. Here second potato. Here third potato. Like that. This is the 10th potato. Here to here first potato to second potato. How much distance is there? 3 meters. Here to here distance what? 3 meters. Here to here 3 meters. Starting point what here? Starting point. Here to here distance what? 5 meters. So what they are saying? A person will run from here to collect first potato, will come back. So for collecting first potato, how much distance you have to walk? From here to here means 5 meters. From there they will come and they will go back for dropping they will come back same 5 meters. Okay, so total distance is equal to total distance for first potato. So 5 plus 5, 10 meters. Second one. Second means what? Here to here. See, here to here. Distance what? 5 plus 3, 8. They'll come back. So second one what? Second one dropping. Distance what? See, here to here. 8 coming back. 16 meters. Third one. Here to here. See, 5, 8, 11, coming back, 22. So like that 10 are there. Distances are 10, 16, 22, so on, 10 terms. Like this 10 are there. So here A is equal to what? 10. B is equal to 16 minus 10, 6. Now what to calculate? S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A. 2A plus 10 minus 1, 9 into the value what? 6. So 10 by 2. 10 by 2, 2 common take, 10 plus 9 times 3. 2 cancel, 10 times 10 plus 9 3 is 27, that is equal to 10 into 10 plus 27, 37, 370 meters. They should travel to drop all the potatoes and keeping in the basket. Okay children. So with this problem, all exercise problems completed. In the next video, we will discuss examples and additional sums or optional sums, some problems given. That all we will discuss. Okay children, thank you for watching, and please share my channel to the needy persons and subscribe new one to getting all the notifications. Thank you for watching. Thank you children.